This is one of the biggest mistakes that I see new contractors make is they think, okay, great, I made $20,000. But what about all the costs called overhead that you have every single month, even if you don't have projects? So any cost that is not assigned to a project, like insurance, taxes, vehicles, gas, your subscription to structure software, right? Even though it's very minimal, it's still an overhead cost, which reduces your net profit of your business, which means it's a write-off. So go ahead and get Structure at structure.com because it's going to radically transform your whole construction business. But understanding your overhead costs is extremely crucial because you didn't actually make $20,000. $20,000 is your gross profit. It's not your net because you have your total sales minus your cost of goods sold is your gross profit. Cost of goods sold is dumpsters and everything related to a job, labor, materials, subcontractors, but that's just your gross profit. Then you have to subtract your overhead, and your overhead is all your soft costs that don't relate to a project. And then that, my friend, is your true net profit. So you might be negative if you're only making $20,000 gross profit, right? Because my overhead is 6 figures or more every single month. I need to be making lots of gross profit to even cover that and break even, right? And you should know your overhead nut per year. If your overhead nut is 500,000 or $1 million or 2 million or whatever, then you need to know I need to make that much gross profit by the 5th or 6th or 7th or 8th month of the year or whatever. And then every month after that is going to be pure gravy.